Okay, so good morning. Good morning. Okay, so this is the first process. This is the first process. So this is the Lockhart tea factory. Please, okay, no? So this is the Lockhart tea factory. This place name the Lockhart. So this is the Lockhart tea factory. This place name the Lockhart. So here 400 people work. Here 400 people work. Include the tea pluckers. Then totally plantation 1500 acres. So this is the first process, withering process. Withering means the moisture reducing. So that side the fan. So under the air pass. So the air pass. Then 14 hours the dry the leaves. One more. 14 hours the dry the leaves. After that here the small hole. So manually put the leaves. Then directly grinding. So grinding process, second process. No confuse. First moisture reducing. Then the two type of manufacturing. One orthodox, one CTC. Two type of manufacturing. One orthodox, one CTC. Orthodox just leaves. Only the leaves. The CTC everything. The stem, the fiber. Understood? The stem, the fiber. Everything grinding. So here we are marking the leaf quality. No CTC. But outside market, you know the powder, the granules, the tea bags, everything the CTC. Actually the granules okay, but the powder, the tea bags, that's very low quality, CTC. Okay, so here we are marking the leaf quality. So orthodox, the traditional way. CTC full and full machinery process. CTC cut, tear and the curl. Example, orthodox 100 kilo cage, 77 kilos the wastage, 23 kilos the good quality, but CTC no wastage, everything grinding. Then here three type of tea, white, green, black. So plantation only separation, white tea, green tea, black tea separation. Today is a black tea manufacturing. Every Monday once the green tea, white tea manufacturing. So same plant but manufacturing one is different. Same leaves but process will be different. So you know that white tea? White tea no? So this is white. Just bird this. The white tea is the topmost quality. This the Lockhart tea factory, the Munnar. So the topmost quality the white. So here also available, outside market not available the white. So the white tea hand picked, sunlight dried one. This is a medicinal, so 100% antioxidant the white. This one more costly because the hand pick more difficult. So more costly the white tea. The diabetes, sugar, cancer, weight loss, cholesterol is good. But empty stomach, no take. After food you can take. More antioxidant the white tea. Without milk, without sugar better. One day 2 or 3 cups you can take. Yes. The second one, the green tea, the 2 leaves. This. The 2 leaf and 1 bud. So green tea also good for a health. But lot of people the green tea empty stomach only take, right? Mostly the ladies because the weight loss. So green tea empty stomach you take more acidity. Really madam, it's true. So green tea empty stomach you take more acidity. The gas, stomach pain, headache, everything comes. So don't take. After food you can take the white tea, green tea. Then one more thing, the green tea every day 1 cup enough after food. Because green tea more bitter taste. So after food 1 cup enough. One day. Black tea is a normal use, anytime drinking. But green tea after food 1 cup. Then the black tea, the whole leaves. The whole leaf on 1 bud. Remove the stem, remove the fiber. Okay, I will show it one by one. I show it. Then their quality, everything is exported for the European country. My brand name Horizons Malayalam Limited. Shop is there, you can purchase. Okay, so you can take pictures.
No, don't come near me, please.
CTC, no wastage, grind it. It's only the coloring. Hair color, henna, dye, mostly instant debug this. The waste. Okay, sir. Okay, so the first process name, sir. Grinding. The first process name. Drying process name. So withering. The second process. Grinding name. Grinding name.
Roller.
Third process. Third process. Fermentation. The fermentation inside they change the color. So inside how much time?
2 hours.
2 hours.
Then the fourth process, drying process. How much time? 22 minutes. Okay. The last process. No. The last.
Fiber.
So that called name. The process called name. Not a filter. Electrostatics. Okay, so this called the color sorting machine inside the camera. The camera, the sensor. So inside the fan also. So the weight. Okay. So the leaf, the black leaf separate and the brown color stem separate. You can see that same quality. So the black leaf and the brown color stem separate. The black leaf exported quality. The brown color stem no use. After the grinding, the powder. So this also waste, the CTC, the powder. Okay. So this the sorting machine inside the camera, the sensor, the leaf separate and the stem separate. The leaf exported quality, the stem no use. Okay. So every packing you can check. Orthodox leaf, sorry, CTC leaf, CTC dust, mention it. So CTC dust, very low quality, the last quality. Okay. Then the tea bags, last one. Come the tea tasting ready. Come this way. This way, this way.
Last process.
Okay, so this is white. So this is called the white, the medicinal purpose. Really good. but empty stomach, no take. After food you can take without milk, without sugar, butter. But the white tea, more costly because the hand being more difficult, so more costly, but really good for my health. Then the second one, the green. So these leaves, only the leaves, but you can buy the markets a powder, but this is leaves, so more antioxidant. This is good, the second one, but 1 cup enough, 1 day. Then this orange leaf, I show it as the long leaf. So this 30 minutes the rolling, you can see that the size is long leaf, no color. So without milk is the best. You can add the lemon, it's very tasty. Black tea is the best one. So this is CDC leaf, but this is good. This with milk is good. The stem and fiber lifting, but
Just
same thing. No leaves, just the powder. The powder. This is last one, tea bag. Okay. Then, so the any kind of tea, the white tea, green tea, black tea, CDC, any kind of tea, no boiling. So just to boil the water. Just to boil the water. The bubbles come to switch off the gas. 1 cup, 1 teaspoon, 3 gram. 4-minute covering. Filter, add sugar, add it. No boiling. But even if you boil it, but not for that. It's really simple. So don't do that boiling. Just to boil the water. Just to boil the water. I will show it, sir. How to taste, I will show it. Some people come inside. Some people. Here, come. The taste. You can taste it. Madam, you can taste it.
Our cup of, excuse me.
First white tea. This good.
Your own brand, right? It's not available also. Premium orthodox. Is it